Children, very warm and welcoming good morning. It is my privilege to be your teacher, and right now I am going to teach you poem number 4th. This is the 4th poem of First Flight. The title of the poem is How to Tell Wild Animals. This poem is composed by Caroline Wells. In this poem, children, what we observe that it is a very funny poem, humorous poem. This poem deals with the telling of animals, recognizing animals, and while to be very, very close to them. When very close to them, then how can we recognize the animal? When we are going to have an Asian lion and we are going to recognize face to face him, means we are no more. When we are going to recognize, to talk, to tell about the Bengal tiger and we are with Bengal tiger face to face, in that case, children, we will be no more. In the same manner, when we are going to talk about the leopard and we are going to recognize leopard is face to face with us, means we are at the risk of our life. In this particular poem, the poet states that the life of these people who are at the stake, and we can have telling about a bear. The bear which embrace us. When the bear will embrace us, we can recognize the bear, means we are no more. Here the poet talks about these poems in a very humorous manner, that to recognize these animal, to talk these animal, and really it is really very, very humorous and very risky also. In the concluding stanzas, the poet says that when we are going to talk, recognize the chameleon, before chameleon, we are going to recognize the crocodile and the hyena. Children, these two animals, they are very clever. When a crocodile weeps, means he is very angry, he is going to eat you. And when a hyena smiles, means he is very much anxious to kill you. Smile of hyena and crocodile's tears are such as the cliches. What more, at last, when you are going to see a tree and on that tree there is a chameleon, that is without its other aspects as ear and all these, then we can recognize that there is a chameleon. This poem is very humorous and a smiling poem. You can laugh, you can talk, and you can study poem beautifully. Have a very, very happy learning. Children, good day and thanks.